In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a 3D reference and refresh your memory on absolute cell addressing. So far, what we've done is we have done formulas in one spreadsheet. Sometimes we want to refer to a cell in another sheet in the same workbook. And what we're going to do here is on the Information tab, we have the budget per year. I'm just going to put for now 30,000 as our annual budget. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to do a formula that will calculate whether or not the college that you have selected is over or under your college budget. So I'm going to start by placing my cursor in M2, and because we're going to be doing a formula, we're going to open up with the equal sign, and now I'm going to click at the bottom in the Information tab. Now look what happens in the address bar. It gives me equals, and then with the Information tab name with an exclamation point. So I'm going to click here. So what that does is that says in the information spreadsheet in B1, that's my budget, and then I'm going to place a minus sign, and then I'm going to go back to the financials, and here's my 1-year cost, and and you can see now that it says financials G2, and then I hit enter. All right, so in this case, the budget amount is $2,800 under my budget. Now, just like we did before, we want to copy that down. So remember, if I wanted to copy, I could copy down this way. Well, there's a problem there because if we look at, let's say, we'll look at this one. It says information B4 minus financials G5. So in B4, we can see that B4 is text. So here again, this is an opportunity for us to learn about how to do the absolute cell addressing in order to make it so that when we copy the formula down, that it will refer to only cell B1. All right, so notice here, I'm just going to click down. So it says B1 minus G2 and B2 minus G3, B3 minus G4, B4 minus G5, and so on. So you can see that it is right now, the copy is based on both of those being relative cell addresses. Now we want it to refer to these numbers in a relative basis, but we want to be subtracting it from the budget amount that is on the information sheet. So I'm going to delete these and we'll start again, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do it this time. All right, so we want to start out with an equal sign, go to the Information tab, click on budget year, and this time we're going to click our F4. So now the reference is an absolute reference with the $ in front of the B and the $ in front of the 1, meaning that the column and the row number is going to be referenced absolutely. So we're going to then click minus, go back to our financials, and we're going to get to our 1-year cost, hit enter. Okay, now look what happens when we copy. So now we can see that the remaining ones are over our budget. So to recap, when we are referring to another spreadsheet, that is called a 3D reference, meaning we are actually referring to another sheet in the workbook. and you make that so it is absolute cell address because we want to refer to this one cell.